Gilgit, the land between the mountains. The word Gilgit is originated from a Turkic word Kelkhet, which means come and go. When the Turkic tribes passes through these lands from Central Asia towards the subcontinent, they called this land Kelkhet. As the time passes, the word Kelkhet becomes Gelgit, and now it's called Gilgit. The city is located in the north of Pakistan, the main stop between the Silk Road. The Karakoram Highway is the one which connects Islamabad with Gilgit and Sikardu, as Karakoram means black mountains in the Turkic languages. In the early 600th century, the city was governed by the Buddhist dynasty. From 618 to 639, the city was under the control of the Turkic Khaganate, and the Turkic Khaganate was destroyed by the Tang dynasty and took control of the city in 659th century. In the late 600th century, the rising Tibetan army took control of the region from the Tang dynasty. However, they faced the growing influence from the Umayyad Khilafat and then the Abbasid Khilafat from the west. Tibetans were forced to ally themselves with the Islamic Khalifas. The region was then contested by the Tibetans, the Tangs, and their supporters for many years. Until then, in the mid of 700th century, the rulers of the Gilgit-Baltistan make alliance with the Tang dynasty and held back the Arabs. After the Battle of Talas between the Tangs and the Arabs in 751, the Tang dynasty lost the war and becomes weak. And then in 755, due to Lushan rebellion, the Tang dynasty withdrew its forces from the region and have no longer influence in the Central Asia and the regions around Gilgit-Baltistan. After that, the region was introduced by the Islam in the 14th century. The Sufi Muslim preachers and scholars from Central Asia and Persia introduced Islam in the region. Turkic Tarkhan rulers plays a key role in spreading the Islam in the region. In November 1839, the Dogra commander Zorawar Singh started his campaigns against the Gilgit-Baltistan. The entire region of Gilgit-Baltistan was under the rule of Dogras and the Sikh. After the defeat of the Sikh in First Anglo-Sikh War, fought between the Sikh and the Britons in 1845, the region becomes the princely state called Jammu and Kashmir. The region remains the princely state under the rule of Dogras, with some temporary areas given to the Britons. Until 1st November 1947, the people of Gilgit-Baltistan get their independence with their own struggle and becomes the part of Pakistan. Click on the link in the description to watch the full video of Gilgit-Baltistan. I tried my best to capture the moments, but unfortunately my camera got broken and I have to deal with many distorted clips, but I hope you guys will like my video. As far as my knowledge, I tried to summarize the history in a short clip, but if there is any mistake, kindly give me feedback in the comments below.